visuals started as just a line of text, a woman enjoying coffee while working, two dogs waving at each other like old friends. Hi, I'm Neha and this is Inner Eye AI. This channel is where I take simple ideas and turn them into expressive moving art using tools like Midjourney and Flora. If you're curious about how to use AI creatively, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through my simple visual storytelling formula, prompt to image to motion. I'll show you how I start with a prompt in Midjourney, transform it into a visual, and then bring that image to life with animation in Flora. Now let's see it in action. Midjourney is where I begin most of my artwork. It helps me turn my mood, emotion, dreamy visuals into images quickly and intuitively. It's my favorite tool. Midjourney now works right in your web browser, so you don't need to go anywhere else. You just have to type midjourney.com/imagine. You definitely have to have an account, and I'm assuming by now, if you're watching this video, you definitely have an account. But if not, create one and come to the create section. You have to come to the create tab and find your prompt box, the text box that says, what will you imagine? And paste your prompt. Now, if you don't have it pasted, of course, you can follow what I'm using as an example to even experiment on your end, or you can type anything that you like. Now, with prompting, you can be as detailed as you want or as straightforward as a basic prompt, because Midjourney will nonetheless show you beautiful creatives. Now for this purpose, I've taken an example of panda eating an ice cream, snowing in the background. Now I'm just going to go ahead and press enter. Midjourney shows you 4 different variations based on your prompt, and everything starts with this prompt. It had just the subject, which is panda eating an ice cream, and snowing in the background just to set a mood of the image. This way we'll have some elements to play around with when we want to make them move. Now, as you can see, 4 images are loaded and completely uploaded by Midjourney. So we do have a panda eating an ice cream while it's snowing. That's good. This is beautiful. This is cute. Yeah, this looks like he's shy. But let's go ahead and take this one. I love this image. Now what we will do is you have to select which one you like, which aligns with your prompt. And then you just have to create an upscaled image of it. So that's easier. The image is clearer. You don't have the image resolution to be low. And I like this feature of creative upscale because the image really looks pretty. Once my upscaled image is loaded, all I have to do is click on it and see, look at that, it looks so detailed. All right, so what we need to do is we need to right click and copy image. You can obviously save the image on your folder and then open it in Flora, but this makes it easier for me since I've just copied my high resolution image. Now I need to move to Flora. Flora is where I make the image come to life. All right, so Flora Fauna AI is a platform where you can create images, you can make them move. The platform is so beautiful that I need to dedicate an episode to it, but we will do that later. Now let's just try and animate and make this panda move. What we'll do is, if you see this node by end of that image, you need to click on it, drag it, and leave it. When you do that, you have 3 options. You can either turn the image into an image or a video, and I think text, I haven't really used it, but you can try to create a text of this image so you get a better prompt probably. But for the sake of the video, let's stick to video. All right, so what we will do, we'll try to add some elements and give them a motion. So snow is falling, the panda is eating an ice cream, enjoying looking at it. You can do 2 things here. You can either enhance your prompt if you think your prompt is not detailed enough, but I think this is fine. It will definitely help the image to get a little bit of a motion. And there are very different kind of models available that you could use to create this motion. But I'm going to go ahead and select what is pre-selected for this video. All right, so I just submitted what I want to do. And what's amazing about Flora Fauna, that they have this task slide, I don't know what you would call it, like a card at the bottom right. It tells you that it's going to take 3 minutes for that entire motion to get loaded, which is amazing because you don't have that sort of a response on Midjourney. So this actually gives me a lot of patience. If I really have something else to focus on, I don't need to sit and wait around here waiting for the image or the video to load. So I'm just going to let this load and come back to it when it's done. All right, here we have our image turned into a video. I'm not sure if it looks really classy, but at the same time, what we added as prompt, that snow is falling, the panda is eating an ice cream. So far the prompt actually said limited things, and actually the video is also doing the limited things. I think it's fine. It's nothing crazy. We can definitely make it better. If you enjoyed this glimpse into AI-powered creativity, subscribe to Inner Eye AI. I'll be sharing more tutorials, prompt writing tips, animation tricks, and inspiration to help you build your own magical world. You can also follow my visual journey on Instagram, the link is in the description. Let's keep creating together.